Welcome to Snail Trail 4x4. Today we're going to be doing a super simple install. We are going to be changing out the rear license plate bulbs from the halogens to LEDs. Today I'm going to be installing Antline LEDs. These were given to me, and I'm going to be testing them out and trying them and giving you guys feedback. But as you can see, it is definitely much more bright white on this passenger side here than it is over here on the driver's side, which is still the stock halogen bulb. So let me show you how to swap these out. There's no way to pull off this outside bezel. From what I can find, it looks like it's part of the mold. The light moves around, but it doesn't really come out very easily. I kind of poked at it, but not very hard. So the basic way, the best way that I found to pull this out is by pulling the whole bulb out. So that's going to be out into this area behind this plastic. So here I am laying underneath the vehicle. Right here is my cross member for my trailer hitch. The bulb is up right here on this section here. It is super tight in here. You have to squeeze your hand up into this area, but you want to counter steer this gray section. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it out. So here's what it looks like. You can see it's just a halogen bulb, and it just clips in with the little standard clips, just like front headlights and all that. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to pull this bulb out. Boom, there we go. Just a little glass little bulb. And we're going to add the new LED one in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide this up and into place, and I'm going to make sure that this LED works just by turning on my headlights. Headlights are on, and we don't have any light. But all we need to do, because LEDs are nice and simple, we just switch it around, flip it, and boom, we've got light. So that LED is working. We can just reverse the polarity there. Now all I have to do is stick that up and into the socket. There you go. As you can see, it was a super simple install. Now we got white LEDs right here at the back corners for our license plate. If you appreciate this install, hammer down on that subscribe button, and don't forget, keep crawling.